camper van. Meet Berry.
So do you want to see inside? Let's go.
This deserves a van tour. She's a beauty. Look at this.
Welcome to our home. This is our living room slash bedroom, and right at the back is our kitchen with all our utensils that we used to cook, and this at night converts into a bed. So we are pretty comfy with everything that we need, and beautiful views everywhere in New Zealand. So we're pretty happy, pretty pumped to be here and to start exploring New Zealand with our little home.
Berry is a Toyota Hiace from 2002.
And it was named after this strawberry plant that we found while we were shopping to buy a few stuff for our van. So we named after Berry. Strawberry.
I didn't really like the name Strawberry, so we came to agreement of just calling the van Berry.
Berry white because she's white.
And also the strawberry had some white petals. They've now fallen off, but
because it turns into strawberries. We have 3 at the moment, and was this one. Looks pretty cute.
so this is our home for the Kiwi adventure.
Yes, we're gonna make a video talking about everything that we have, everything that we bought, the setup of the van and everything, because I think it should be pretty interesting to know how is the setup, everything that we needed to buy, because it didn't come with the utensils that we need, the basic utensils. So all of that, we're probably going to make a video very soon about that. And let us know if you want to know anything in specific as well. We can make a video about that too. And yeah, pretty happy.
Coffee time. Stove.
And this is how we know the water is boiling. Water is boiling.
Ready? It's pretty kettle, isn't it? There we go.
Black coffee for you.
Just gonna sit back. Oh, there's a boat, look.
Oh, so cute. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit back and relax here for a couple of minutes. Enjoy the views, enjoy the sun. We don't always get sunny day, I've heard.
Yes, the last 3 days has been raining non-stop. So today we are just enjoying.
Soaking up the sun.
On the video that Christiana mentioned that we're gonna do about the setup of the van, we're also gonna mention the process that you need to go through to buy a van here in New Zealand. But today we just really wanted to share with you that we bought Berry up there. update since our last video. We were in Auckland, finally managed to open a bank account. I went for BNZ. At the time it was quite difficult because there was an influx of tourists arriving at Auckland at the same time, so they only had appointments in 2 weeks' time. But I did something quite cheeky. I said I already had a job interview, so I had appointment on the next day. So bank account is sorted. I'm just waiting for my RRD, which is equivalent to the national insurance number. It will take up to 3 weeks. Yeah, Auckland in general didn't fascinate me, to be honest. We are not city people. We came to New Zealand for this, for nature parks, see some animals. There's a lot of cows. People say there's a lot of sheep, but we've seen so much more of cows than sheep. There is a lot of sheep, but cows is just crazy amounts.
But New Zealand is very green. Let's go for a little walk. Mata Mata.
We're in a town called Mata Mata, which if you translate that to Portuguese is kill kill. Cruising around.
Just to ask you information. This is an information site about like a tourism information site.
Oh, shall we go inside? Have a look? Have a peek? Let's go. 진짜로.
We are now parked for the night, doing a little bit of working, and this is it for now. I'll see you a little bit later.
Much later.
And just like that, we are all set for bed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we shall see you on the next one. Bye bye.